Back on site, first tow with the Dirt Boss Bighorn Ram in the middle of the road in a bad spot here on a knoll. Gotta put an access driveway in here. Gonna have to put some cones and all that out. Like I said, we're on a blind knoll here. Do a spinny roundy. It's gonna be tough to dump the load of crusher run off because we got power lines up above. I'm gonna be at an angle. I'm gonna have to come in this way, I think. Basically, we're just giving. Let me get you in here. All right. Eventually, there's gonna be a house in here. There's an old farm road going up through here. We'll probably end up putting this road in at some point. Right now is just what we're doing today is just giving these new homeowners the access road to get in here just to park off the road because obviously they were parking out there. Just gonna give them a little crusher run, 15 foot wide by 30 feet long. Put a flare there. Property markers here. Once they build their house and we do put this driveway in, if I do that phase, we'll knock this hill down, get rid of that tree, and try to give them so that when they come out here, because you can see what we got. You can't see it, and you see this car coming now, so it's tricky. All right, let's get our first cut right off the road. Just grabbed I got everything lined out. It's roughly 15 foot wide by 30. We're just gonna put this overburden off to the side down here for now. All this will have to get cut and addressed, like these trees and everything. You know, we got culverts to put in here when the road goes, driveway goes to be put in. I think it's like 300 feet long. The house is gonna be up on the flat up there. But just getting the overburden. It looks like there's shale to the right here. There's a shale bank, so that's gonna be interesting when we go to dig the house. Although it's nice for a driveway. Alright, just clean the road. Gotta have a different approach. It's always the little easy ones that give you the hard time, I'll tell you. All right, that worked out a little bit better. Yeah, there was some drop off and all topsoil there. Got a little bit in the road, that's fine. Block it with the truck and let's get it off and done quick. Let's get out of here. All right, let's rock and roll. Should be quick work it is. There on the boom, be sure to check them out. They're all YouTube channels that you see there. I got a couple more to add too. That I got stickers. I just haven't had the chance because of the winter. I wanted them to stick good. I got Dozer Dennis, my other fellow New Yorker. I got his sticker, and I got another guy coming from Texas. So if you want to get on there, send me your stickers. Almost to our 30-foot mark right there. Going to be getting 8 new tires on that truck, even though the tread is like brand new on those. They're just street tires. I got to get some off-roaders. Can't be getting stuck like that, even though it was a treacherous situation off the road and whatnot. It's gonna be thick over here. Took care of that. Give it a little tilt action on the right here. giving it a 1-2 pack job with the tracks, and then I'll go back and regrade and shape. Just want to give it that initial set. If you don't get that crusher on set and it's thick, she'll move on you pretty good. Give it the old track and pack 1-2 beat down, as I like to say. All right, one construction entrance all set. Got that transition pretty good off that road. Gotta scrape up the slop I made with my shovel, and yeah, it looks good. Should be able to get in here now, 2 cars, be able to walk up and do all their due diligence and stuff. Then when it's time to put the driveway in, we will be back. You know it.